In this video, we listed the 5 best muscle massage guns on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Sejoy WS-028 Tissue Massage Gun. The WS-028 Fascia Massage Gun by Sejoy is a portable, lightweight, and compact device designed for massage and relaxation. Made from durable ABS material and available in multiple colors, gray, blue, black, and red, it features 10 replaceable massage heads for targeted deep tissue relief. The device operates at a high speed of 3,200 RPM, offering effective deep massage to alleviate soreness and fatigue. It is powered by a 7.4V rechargeable battery with USB Type-C charging and operates at a low noise level of less than 45 dB, ensuring a quiet experience. Equipped with smart chip technology, it intelligently adjusts the impact force based on user actions. Certified with RoHS, CE, and WEE standards, this fascia gun combines portability and functionality, making it suitable for on-the-go relaxation and recovery needs. Number 2. KWD Fascial Massage Gun. The Fascial Massage Gun is an electric percussion massager designed to provide deep tissue muscle relaxation and pain relief. Ideal for fitness enthusiasts or anyone seeking relief from muscle tension, it targets areas such as the body, neck, and back with precision. This versatile massager delivers powerful vibrations to penetrate deep into the muscles, promoting relaxation, improving blood circulation, and aiding recovery. Its ergonomic design and ease of use make it a convenient tool for relieving soreness, reducing stiffness, and enhancing overall physical well-being. Perfect for post-workout recovery or daily relaxation, it is a practical solution for maintaining muscle health and comfort. Number 3. Chalkart Therapy Fascia Gun. The Cold and Hot Therapy Fascia Gun is an innovative massage gun designed to provide quick relief for athletes and fitness enthusiasts. Combining the benefits of both cold and hot therapy, this versatile tool helps soothe sore muscles, reduce stiffness, and enhance recovery after workouts or physical activities. Its ergonomic design and targeted functionality make it an ideal choice for addressing muscle tension and promoting relaxation, making it a must-have for anyone looking to improve their post-exercise recovery routine. Number 4. Mebak 5 Massage Gun. The Mebak 5 Massage Gun is a professional-grade muscle massager designed for deep tissue relief and relaxation. Made from composite materials, this lightweight device weighs only 1.65 pounds and features a powerful 50W high-torque brushless motor with quiet glide noise reduction technology, ensuring a high-power yet low-noise experience. It offers 6 adjustable speed levels, 1300 to 3000 RPM, and comes with 6 interchangeable massage heads to provide precise, all-around care for the whole body. Equipped with a rechargeable 2000 mAh lithium battery, it delivers 4 to 6 hours of working time per charge and supports USB Type-C charging with a 2.5 to 4 hour recharge time. The ergonomic design includes an easy-to-use single-button control panel and a comfortable handle for targeting hard-to-reach areas. With a 10mm amplitude and acoustic noise as low as 45 dB, it is both effective and quiet. The Mebak 5 also includes a PU travel case for organized storage and portability, making it an excellent gift choice for friends, family, or personal use. Number 5. EaSore ES-00 for Massage Gun. The EaSore Pro Max, Model ES-004, is a professional massage and relaxation device originating from mainland China. Designed for full-body application, it features a powerful 220W brushless motor with a maximum speed of 3,280 RPM and a striking force of over 25 kilograms. The device offers 6 adjustable speed gears, a 12mm amplitude, and comes equipped with 6 interchangeable massage heads for targeted relief. Built with durable materials, including an aluminum alloy shell and a nanosilica gel handle, the massage gun is both robust and comfortable to use. It is powered by a 2600 mAh lithium battery, providing 6 to 8 hours of usage on a single charge. The package includes a storage bag, multiple charging plugs, US, EU, UK, AU, KR, the massage gun itself, 6 professional massage heads, and an owner's manual. Certified by UL, RoHS, and CE standards, the EaSore Pro Max combines advanced features such as imported chips and dynamic display gears with premium materials for an effective and reliable massage experience.